What a beautiful end to the first trading week of 2023. Over $30,000 in day trading profit just today, $46,000 this week, and as always, I'm going to give you my exact education, the exact trades, and everything that I know to hopefully help you level up, educate you more, and give you more confidence in your trading. This is a good one. Let's get right to it.
Now I rep the O, what you know about the west side? I just bought a whip, all in cash, live my best life. Bought a couple stocks, so I'm covered for the next 5. I don't like the top, but I know if you test me.
What's going on, money team? It's your boy Jdun Trades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you're all having an amazing day and had an even better week. We are live and back on the money and education train with a massive day trading recap. Over $30,000 in the day, as you can see here. Real account, real-time data, real numbers right here, not just screenshots, unlike most other traders. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I got there, the exact trades that I took, the exact education, and some other tips and tricks to help you make more money day trading and in the stock market. So my friends, if you like making money, if you enjoy transparent trading, and if you get some value from this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Comment what you want to see next, and let's get rich together. Now, big trade of the day was on Tesla. Now, we started the day off very, very bearish. We had news in China that Tesla was lowering their prices due to lower demand. So obviously, lower demand, lower prices means less money made. We start tanking. So my main watch off the open, my literal one watch in the Discord too, was a Tesla 104 to 105 area reject. Now, I actually made this money on puts. Now, you see this chart go all the way up right here, but I made my money to the downside. So as you can see from this 1 minute chart here, let's go right off the open. I loved the setup. I love the weakness. I really thought that we were going to get down to this 100 whole psych number, had a ton of open interest on those puts, and it just seemed like a magnet. We got close, 101, but not quite all the way down there. So off the open, right, I see us coming up. Now, on this move up, we initially touched 104.68. I start my position right here. I add a pretty big piece here. I went a little heavier than usual. Now, the contracts were cheap. I'll actually show you those right now and show you how that actually went down. Let's go over here real quick. So, looking at these contracts, as you can see off the open, they went, and let's go to the 1 minute chart, see if we can really, I can show you step by step how it went. So, off the open, these contracts went from $1 here up to about $1.72, back down to $1. This was my ad. This is my ad spot down here and right here. And these contracts went all the way from $1 to a maximum of $2 plus. 100% total return on this trade. Now, I didn't get 100% on this. I sold my last runners a little above 60%, but nonetheless, still a great trade off the open. So I saw that, had that mapped out. I'll go over the Y in a second. Added here, added again around here. On this candle down, not quite at the tippy top, but right here, and saw a massive $3 flush down, and these contracts went crazy. That is the power of option trading, right? This $100 here, for every $100 you had here, turned into $200 plus. So if you play your cards right, obviously trading is not easy, options are not easy, don't get that impression, but if you know what you're doing and you have confidence, there's a lot of money to be made. So now let's go over the why. Why did I like this setup so much? Because for one, we had bearishness, right? We had a lot of weakness in the market. We had downtrend. Number two, we had a lot of confluence in this 104 to 105 resistance here that I wanted to see us reject, have a small move up, have it on lower volume, which we were getting, and then have a move down. So that all added up, that weakness added up. I wanted to see that pop. As in downtrends, what do? We buy puts on pops, and in uptrends, what do? We buy calls on pullbacks. So it all looked good, caught a nice move in options here, and overall had a very solid trade. Even though the trend obviously ended up being up, I didn't catch any of this because after 24,000 on that, I was done. I'm not going to sit there and try to trade more and more and more. A $30,000 day and a $46,000 week is cool with me, and that's another lesson for another day too. Stop over trading, my friends. Just stop over trading. It's not worth it. It's just not worth it. So that's why I didn't keep going, try to catch any of this. But I actually did end up catching a little bit of SPY. So in the Discord last night, a lot of the squad swung calls for the non-farm payrolls or whatever it was for that data. So a lot of people swung calls. I did not. Obviously, they feasted on this. But on this move up, didn't catch anything. On this move down, I didn't catch anything. But on the move back up the second time. Now, I didn't signal this. This was my own scalping. Took like three different scalps, on this move up. So as we held this, we had decreasing volume into the selling, which means our buyers were picking back up, had this wick, added some calls in this pullback, and also added some calls in this pullback for scalps up, 2 scalps here, and then 1 scalp here. And overall, got a nice 6,000 plus gain on SPY. Now, again, after like big days like that 24,000 on Tesla, like I'm still at the point where it shakes me a little bit. I still had a little emotion after that. So I was sitting back, had way lighter size, was kind of trading, scalping, doing what I saw, but way, way, way lighter. And not on Tesla because I was done with that name for the day. Now, I can't explain the psychology of that, but I can tell you as a seasoned trader, and when you get there, when you start having those big days, when you start seeing those big numbers, you don't want to give it back. So no matter what people tell you, when you have a $20, $30, $40, $50,000 day, like those emotions are still there. Just like losing money, making massive amounts of money too in very short time frames raises a lot of dopamine, raises that anxieties, not necessarily bad anxieties, but raises those emotions, and it really takes you time to reset and resettle. So for me, those are the trades of the day. Saw that buying pressure, or selling pressure, heading down or slowing down, and then saw that slow move back up. Missed basically all of this up here, but you know what? 30,000 for the day and 46,000 for the week. That's above all of my goals. I don't expect that every week, but you know what? Sky's the limit, and I hope that these videos show you, they educate you, they help you guys learn, and that's my main goal for 2023 is helping you guys learn, giving you real-time examples, real free, good education, not just annoying, hey, I made $30,000, come buy my course. Yeah, we have the live trading Discord. Yes, we have the mastermind. Those things are all available, and they're available below. But guess what? You can learn so much from these videos for free. There's so much I genuinely want you to learn. I think you guys know that. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here. And I hope you guys learn from the bottom of my heart. So all that being said, keep trading smart, keep trading safe. I wish, too, that I would have held more and held this like 384 as a stop loss looking back at this. Because look at this beautiful breakout right here. I was still had a little motion in me, caught some little scalps up here and then here. But I should have, in reality, had my stop loss set for the rest of my runners below this 384, as this was a big resistance turn support, and it's held them, and they would have printed all day. So lesson learned there. Fumbled the bag, a lot of potential profits on that one, but that's okay. So trade smart, trade safe, keep grinding. Trading is very hard. Don't let any big numbers or any of these videos confuse you. Trading is very hard, and you have to keep grinding and learning. So remember to hit that subscribe button. Tap in. We have a long road together this year, the next year, and years ahead. And let's get rich together. Have an amazing weekend, fam. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Now I rep the O, what you know about the west side? I just bought